My name is David, and this is Ianda Cibro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the flow of the sea paracord style bracelet. What you first want to do is you want to set up a 4-strand core. The way I started off my knot here is just an over-under and a loop the under over the center, going through the left and the left and the right. And then at the other end, how I tied them off is by just doing the same thing, repeating what I did at the bottom, making sure all 4 are there, all 4 strands. In this video, what you'll need is about between 8 and 10 feet. You want to dedicate on the center cords here. You want to dedicate at least, I believe it's 6 feet, and then the rest on the other end, because the outside weave will have more slack. What I'm using here right now is just 10 feet of cord, as this is my testing cords. First thing you want to do is you want to take your upper strands and bring them up between 1 and 2 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, cord 1, cord 2, cord 3, cord 4. What you want to do is you want to bring the upper cord right here up into between cords 3 and 4. You want to bring that up. You want to make sure you leave some slack. And then on the next one, on the lower cord on here, you want to go around that and back through. That'll start this off. You want to tighten that up so that you get that loop right there. And then repeat the same process for the other side, doing the same thing. Alright. And then tighten that one up as well. After that, the ones you have at the sides, you want to take and you want to go over 3 from the right with the right side cord. You want to go down between 1 and 2, and then right back up through 3 and between 2 and 3. You want to take that and pull all the slack out so that it does this, and then do the same thing for the opposite side. You want to go over 1, 2, and 3, come down, and then right back up through the center. And you want to tighten those up. Next, get your slack out of the way. You want to repeat the process with the ones that started off and bring those up. Through between 1 and 2 and between 3 and 4. Next, after that, you'll repeat the process. You want to hold that up, and you want to do the same thing over again. And just take your secondary and the center cord right here and do the same thing. You want to loop around that, go underneath the strand, and then through the hole open in the right side, and just repeat the process from there. And that will create the look that you see here. and then do the same thing for the other side. You always want to make sure you go from the outside around and then through this center hole right here. I'm going to do a few more just so that you can get a feel for the design. Make sure you pull all your slack out. And then repeat the process for the same thing. You want to make sure you go over 3 and then come up between 2 and 3 of the cords. Without doing this, it would not look the same. Down between cords 3 and 4, and then right back up between cords 2 and 3. Alright, I think I'll end this video here. So if you want to see anything new, please leave a comment below, like and subscribe. And thank you, and have a nice day.